We are practicing comparing groups again, and I have some crayons and some pencils. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 crayons and 1, 2 pencils. But my question today is a little bit different. I want to know which group has fewer. If you said pencils, you are correct. This pencil has a partner with this crayon, and this pencil has a partner with this crayon. And these 2 crayons do not have partners. So I have 2 fewer pencils. I would need to have 2 pencils here if I had the same number. I have 2 fewer. I have 2 missing pencils that don't give the crayon a partner. So I have 2 fewer pencils. So we're going to do a little work. You need your work mat, 2-3. And you will need some counters and some crayons and a pencil. So I have been forgetting to remind you, hopefully you're doing it, to put your name on your paper. Even if Mrs. Stalkup doesn't do it, you need to always remember to put your name on your paper every time before you start. That way your teacher knows that you did all your hard work. So we are going to put some objects as we count. So let's count. We're comparing the top row of blocks and the bottom row of blocks. And this time we want to know how many fewer. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the bottom row, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think the top row has fewer. And I can tell it has 1 fewer because there is 1 extra one in the bottom row. So the top row has 1 fewer block. So let's color it to show. We'll color 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the bottom. This time I'm going to use my pencil to circle where the missing block is because I can tell there is 1 fewer. There is 1 fewer on the top. All right, I'm going to put my counters aside and just work on coloring for now. Be one less thing for us to do. So let's use our crayons and we'll pick one color to color the top. And let's count 1, 2 as we color. Ready? 1, 2. And let's color the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. A different color. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now get your pencil. We're thinking which row has fewer. I bet you said the top row, but we want to know how many fewer. So he would need a partner. These guys would need a partner. Oh, 1, 2 fewer. So the top row has 2 fewer than the bottom row. All right. I'm going to use different colors this time, as long as they're different from each other. So I'm going to color the top row, 1 in the top. And I'll pick a different color for the bottom row. 1, 2 on the bottom. Now I'm looking to see which row has fewer. If you said the top row, you were correct. There's the partner. This one doesn't have a partner. So how many fewer is the top row? Right, 1 fewer. Okay, last one on this side. So let's color the top row one color while we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's color the bottom row a different color. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to use my pencil to see who has a partner and which one's fewer. Now I think that the bottom row is fewer because it doesn't come out, but I want to find out how many. So I'm going to partner them up. And that this guy doesn't have a partner and this guy doesn't have a partner. So I can tell that the bottom row has 1, 2 fewer blocks than the top row. Nice. So here we are comparing piggy banks to cars. And this time they're trying to trick you. We aren't going to color all the cars. We're going to color the cars to show 1 fewer. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 piggy banks and 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. But we want to color the cars to show 1 fewer. So that means one of the pigs wouldn't have a partner. So I need to only color 1, 2, 3 cars. 3 is 1 fewer than 4. So let's color 1, 2, 3 cars. And that is 1 fewer than pigs. 3 is 1 fewer than 4. All right, now we're getting ready for a party and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ribbons. And we want to color the horns to show 2 fewer. So we want to have 2 less horns than we have ribbons. Do you know how many horns we would color? That's right, 2. So we're going to color 1, 2 horns, and when I partner them up, you'll be able to see that these 2 are fewer. 1, 2 fewer. Great. Now on this side, you've been practicing drawing shapes in your journal, and so you are pretty good. These crackers are different shapes. So these are round crackers, circle crackers. You are going to draw circles to be crackers, and you're going to show a group with 1 fewer cracker. So we have 1, 2, 3, and you're going to draw circles to show 1 fewer. So 1 fewer. So you should draw so you have 1 fewer. Good job. And these crackers are what shape? Triangles. Good job. So you're going to draw a group with 2 fewer crackers. That means 2 of the crackers aren't going to have partners. So you would just need to draw 1 triangle cracker, right? These 2 don't have partners. So 1 is 2 fewer than 3. Awesome job.